Hey, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Denise, but everybody calls me Jen. Today, we're going to do a bit of an unboxing on a new pair of earrings that I purchased from Fendi. So stick around and let's talk about it. So as many of you know who've been following me for a while now, I am all about brooches, earrings, and really any accessories at this point. There are a few other luxury bags that I have on my wish list, but I'm all about accessories right now. So there were a pair of earrings, some hoop earrings that I've been looking at for a while. So I finally received them in the mail, and I thought, let me just share it with you all and unbox it with you all together. So the earrings that I purchased are from Fendi, and I ordered them through the website. And they are the F is for Fendi hoop earrings. Okay, so it has the little box here. It has the sleeve that it comes in, again, from Fendi. Okay, and just so you know, like I have been doing a little bit of research, and a couple YouTubers were saying they don't like the hoops because they're too small. I am normally a very large hoop girl, but I just love these. I have the Louis Vuitton Louise hoops, and they're like one of my favorites. I wear them pretty much every day, especially for work. I don't wear the oversized hoops for work too often, but I was excited about these Effort for Fendi hoops. And look at them. Here they are. So they are in silver and gold. And I love that. I have a new bag that you see behind me is my first Fendi bag, and it has both silver and gold hardware as well. So I was excited to get these hoop earrings to kind of pair with them. So one of the hoops is here in the gold, and you know, my nails kind of it's in gold, but then the other one is in that palladium silver color finish. So yeah, so I love that they're kind of mix. Jesus. I love that they are kind of mix match in their colors. I just love that. I think that's super cute. And then in comparison, I think they are 2 inches in diameter. But they are, I have my Louise hoops here from Louis Vuitton that I wear all the time. And I did another haul with you all on that for my fall favorites, I think last year. But I just want to compare the size here. So the Fendi are actually just a little bit bigger than the Louise hoops from Louis Vuitton. You can see there, but not by much, but just a little bigger than the Louis Vuitton. And I love them. So I'm so happy that I have these. They're around $500. I'll be sure to include the information in the description box. But I just wanted to just do a quick unboxing with you so that you see these super cute hoops that I'm super excited to wear, especially with my new bag that I have not worn just yet. But I think they're super fun, and I think it's good to have kind of your around the way girl oversized hoops in your collection, but also to have some smaller hoops, more luxury brand hoops that you can wear as well. So I'm very happy to add the new F is for Fendi hoops to my jewelry collection. And let me know if any of you have purchased these hoops, if you have any thoughts or experience with them. I have been, just so you know, as a side note, there were some earrings that I purchased from Gucci, and I'll insert a picture that I was super excited about because they are identical to a brooch that I have with Gucci, and I'll insert that as well for you to see. I purchased these clip-on earrings from Gucci, and they were so freaking heavy. I just could not take it. And they really clamp really tightly on your ear. And I think I do have some sensitivity to faux jewelry or, you know, jewelry that's not real, especially if they're clip-ons. There you go. Especially if they are clip-ons. I have high sensitivity to them. And so I wore them one day to my graduation ceremony, and I was in so much pain. It was like my ear just got numb to where I didn't even feel the pain anymore. But when I took them off, I was just like, I can't do this. So I had to return them. They're super cute. Again, they're identical to my Gucci brooch that I wear often. So I was excited to have the earrings to kind of complement it for my graduation ceremony, but they were too painful. So I had to return those. So I'm excited to just get other little hoops that are pretty light, but still, high quality that I can wear. So I'm happy to have both the Louise hoops from Louis Vuitton and also the F is for Fendi hoops as well. So just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you all. As I mentioned, I just received the package, so I was like, let me just do a quick video and share it with you all. So let me know if you've had an experience with Fendi jewelry. Let me know if you have these hoops, and also let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything else that you want me to review. So thank you so much for spending your time with me, tuning into my channel. I hope that you will like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.